Hi, this is Enlightenment Nover, and this is going to be a bonus DIY video of turning this giant shirt into a tank top shirt, similar to like this style of tank top, or how I cut the neck out of this and cut the sleeves off and made it shorter because it was a men's t-shirt. So what we're going to start out with, like me, I'm probably at least a large on the men's t-shirt. This is an extra large. All of this is like loose fabric that we need, so all of that is pretty much going. So here we go. Okay, so here's the template. This is the difference between an extra large woman's tank top and an extra large men's t-shirt. But I just wanted to get the neckline. Basically, I'm cutting out the neck and I'm cutting the sleeves off. But at this seam, if it's way too much thickness on the width right here, like if I want to make it like that, then I can always cut it down. I'm just going to cut small pieces of it first, and then we're going to see what happens. We've got two different scissors because one of them's more dull than the other one, and if the other one makes me mad, I can always change to the other pair. If this was long enough, I could probably make it a dress. That's what I was thinking, but I don't know. Okay, so cutting it. I've done this on lots of thrift store shirts, which is usually what I do, but I was like, hey, let's just buy a new shirt this time, because I'm cool like that, I guess. I need to do more DIY modification of clothing videos. Like studded jackets and such. Okay, so the difference, like on this tank top, when you hold it out straight, it still has a neckline that's all the way up to the nape of your neck, and then the bottom goes down a little bit. I always want to cut down the bottom a little bit more so it has a little bit of cleavage going. So on this one, there's the seam. We're going to cut it down a little bit more. I'm going to make it a V-neck. You can make it whatever kind of neck you want, but I don't really own V-necks. I'm just going to make it right in the middle of the T, since I guess that's what looks kind of like the center. Okay, there's the neckline. It's kind of not really a V, but you get the point. There's the back. I would suggest doing this, just don't wear a shirt, just run around in a bra or whatever, because you're going to be putting on this shirt like 10 times, and it's easier just to figure out what kind of neckline you've got going. Okay, now we're going to do the sleeves. You can also do the back. You can do it like a racer back if you want to. I'm not that creative. I think I'd mess that up. I haven't been able to do that successfully yet. Okay, sleeves. The seam is right here. So we're basically just going to cut off the whole thing, if you can actually feel underneath there. If I can get it perfectly lined up. At the seam underneath, it's actually right there. Sleeve, keep that sleeve for whatever, random projects. Do the same thing over here. Okay, there's the tank top. It's too wide right there. All that width. The armpit is right there. So we are going to cut it along this line. This is another way if you're going to the thrift store, say you wear a medium and like all you find is really cool large shirts. You can cut up large shirts, or all you find is tank tops you want sleeveless. You can cut them up, make it sleeveless. me, I never find anything big enough, so I always have to end up trying to figure out what's going on. But I got this shirt bigger. You're going to see why, because of the way I'm going to cut the sides is going to make it more form-fitting. And the first time I did it on a large shirt, a curvy large, like woman's shirt. And it turned it into a woman's medium shirt, so it didn't fit. And I had it for a long time, and I finally sold it to an independent clothing company that was really interested in it, that fit that kind of style, and they paid me like $5 or $8 for it or whatever, which I used this trade credit to get this cool Joy Vision shirt and these cool combat boots. Okay, obviously it's going to be too low. See, I already messed it up right there. But whatever. Okay, so now we got the neck. We got the armpit. Armpit's actually down here. This is tank top underneath here, so it goes to there. It's all super jagged and messed up, so I'm going to have to fix this edge because I could never get it right the first time. That's part of the redoing this 50 times. Okay, so we're going to reline it up. I think this one was fine. See, I knew it was going to mess this one up because I missed the seam right there. Stupid point. Okay, so there we go on that. Okay, this is where the fun begins. The sides, this is what we're going to do. We're going to make like a hourglass shape, so like from the side it goes like this, and we're going to slice up the side and tie it together. I'll show you what I mean. Using this as white background because it's the closest thing I have to white, so you can see what the heck's going on. Right below the armpit, go down a little bit and just start snipping. We'll pinch it and then start snipping. Like an inch or so, just a little bit right there. And then do like, I don't know, like that much width, not much. And just keep going. Cut it a little bit more. Cut it a little bit more, and then keep going. We're going to do this on both sides. That's going to be the middle all the way across, and then we're going to go back down, so it's going to be like triangle. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that. That's it. Like, if you want to just leave it like that, cool, but we're gonna keep going. I think I'm gonna leave the length of it. This is a very, very long shirt, but I think I'm gonna leave the length just to have the thing go over the jeans too, or with the skirt, or whatever you're trying to wear with it. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing to the other side too, the triangle shape. So follow the deepest part of the triangle, deepest point or whatever. So we can make this look super curvy, hourglass, cat-like. That's what we're trying to do, I guess. So roughly there, I don't know, I don't have anything to measure with, the scissors. To there, okay. then just do the same thing. Okay, here we go. Got the gray shirt underneath it so you can see what's happening. I need like a navy blue for that panther's fur color in the sun. But it goes all the way down to there. So you can either leave it like this and be like, cool, I'm done, or we're gonna slice the middle of these and we're gonna knot it all the way down, which is gonna kind of make it a little bit smaller because it's still like super wide, extra large shirt, but it's nice and baggy and it's good for the summer. Okay, this is what we're left with, if you can get it lined up again. All we're doing is tying knots. Which is sometimes easier said than done, because you got to get all these like straightened back out like it was. Like comb them. So every single one of these there is. We're just going to start with the big one so you can see what's happening. This piece, get it, cut it. So if you already accidentally cut it because you messed it up, doesn't matter because you're going to cut it anyway. And then just knot it like the first tie on tying the shoe. Which I don't know how to tie anything, so it is what it is. So it looks like that. And then you just do that to all of them unless you can't reach the tiny ones. I don't know if I'll be able to reach the tiny ones, we'll see. I have to cut them a little bit further. Okay, so here's the finished project shirt. I think it looks pretty cool. Got the sides. It's all the way down to here. I think I'm just going to leave it like that, and we're going to call it a day. Alright, thanks for watching. Let me know if you want me to do more DIY videos. I've still got jackets and crap. I bought some more pyramid studs and some spikes from Hobby Lobby. This shirt, if anybody was wondering, is from Target. It's on the men's section of screen tees. They have a bunch of other Black Panther stuff too because the movie just came out. I liked the movie. I thought it was cool. This shirt might just be #white girl watches Black Panther once makes this shirt, but whatever. I already made a shirt like this before, but I like it. This is going to be I want to be nice and cool in the 80 degrees, shave my head again, and then I'm ready. So, rate, subscribe. I want to do more videos like this because I want to make this a things I create channel and continue that theme of drawing, music, creating stuff.